this episode, we'll explore how researchers analyze both qualitative and quantitative data using manual methods and software tools like SPSS NVivo and Excel. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to turn raw data into meaningful insights in your social work research. Data analysis is the heart of research. It turns field notes, survey responses, or transcripts into meaningful insights. In social work, this process allows us to understand community needs, program effectiveness, or policy gaps. Whether you're analyzing interviews from survivors or survey results on social schemes, analysis must be ethical, systematic, and relevant to real-world applications. In qualitative social work research, data is often textual, like interview transcripts or field diaries. One of the most used methods is thematic analysis, where codes are developed to represent themes across participants. Another approach is narrative analysis, especially useful for case histories or life stories. Tools like NVivo help organize and visualize coded data efficiently, especially in large projects with multiple interviews. Quantitative analysis involves statistical evaluation of numerical data. We start with descriptive stats, summarizing key trends, like how many respondents access ration cards or education schemes. Inferential statistics test hypotheses, like whether training improved employment in women's SHGs. SPSS is commonly used for this, as are Excel and R for budget-conscious researchers. Let's talk tools. SPSS helps analyze complex numerical data, ideal for survey-based social work research. NVivo supports thematic coding of interviews and focus groups. It helps visualize themes, build models, and spot patterns. Excel, while basic, is perfect for entry-level data management, frequency counts, or simple graphing. Choosing the right tool depends on your research design, budget, and comfort level. Examples make it real. In one study, researchers interviewed foster care youth and used thematic analysis to understand their emotional transitions. Another project used SPSS to analyze survey data on public awareness of domestic violence laws. Researchers also used NVivo to analyze interviews with leprosy-affected individuals, uncovering deep-seated stigma and access issues. These are practical cases where data analysis directly shape advocacy, policy, and practice. In social work, ethical considerations don't end with data collection, they continue through analysis. Be mindful of confidentiality and sensitivity, especially when working with vulnerable communities. Use triangulation, cross-verifying data from interviews, documents, and observations to improve reliability. Document how themes were identified, how codes were defined. This ensures transparency and reproducibility. It's time to test your understanding. Pause here and comment your answers to the quiz below. Reflecting through discussion enhances your learning and also builds a community of social work researchers. Thanks for joining us on this journey into data analysis in social work research. Don't forget to like, comment your quiz answers, and subscribe for more such content. Share this with students, field practitioners, and interns. It might help them build stronger research habits.